Countryman, at way baby time, salute again for una. Now I don't get small story where I don't write time for them a small paper way there for my before so. We will talk about minister for Palava GCE. We don't talk story. We will talk Palava for some man when artist and then he say we prophet too. Where he don't tolerate the picking them, it is still we picking them. So they don't born picking we two get picking them. We will go talk to about some boy. We die for that side for Bafia, for the same technique for Bafia. What happen way before that boy Ikwara, and then we will talk about some matter for that side from Bangante, where some big brother he boss eye for his small sister for Sikakolo, and then the woman where they for that side for Yaounde where they call it say Unana Marie Therese, where boil water triumph for a man is skin, not be a man said na mami and na pikin for how if you put na papa for a pikin. Countrywoman, when I know how the thing they work out. It work out for the way, it work out for say, me work out for that way, when no work out, it is for work out, it go mean a waka, walking, walking. We are walking to go to school. I talk say, the way the thing they look like, it go be for the way it go look like. Okay, what happen? It happen. Countryman and countrywoman them. Most start for the matter for Kaulo, for book. When I know say GCE don't start. They don't start the right GCE when na French own them. English own too, go enter. This is technical own too, English go enter na the month. Minister, our English GCE to start this week. He don't like plenty tongue book. He send her for outside. Wait till the book for minister talk countryman, countrywoman. I say, how way for Friday, it will be a big day for our brother them, our Muslim brother them. They go make a feast of the ram. It will be a say, they go send all the exam where they be supposed for right time for that Friday for Monday. So na so minister Naloa Leonga, former rector for University of Buya, he talk So GCA people they una don't hear. Now for picking the way they write, una go write paper they una write time or subject them. Una for write time for that day for Friday, una go write time for Monday. Because I don't come all the money time for town. So I see the way we vim day for road. All plain I only vim meh. I say yes. That ship now plenty people they go damn am. So they una play. They go damn it. We do the damn or the wait till me the same invitation before we show how they damn that mutton, that how they call it for sheep, yeah, for pigeon or for English self, na sheep goat. Go damn it, yes, that's all the thing go pass. Countrywoman. Tori day. Another Tori will get time for una for here. Na the one way happen for that side for Central region. The man, in name na Saint Desire Atango. What he happen? Oh, okay. The two happen I say voice on crack, and then it is strained for the talker. You know when the talk with voice on crack, so the thing they go begin make some way, you pain them for your skin and all that. And when voice on crack, so man must take care before they talk, because if you go to talk so before you know the voice crack again pass. If it is sleep we picking them, or it is still sleep we picking them. Neighbor and talk say that way body we can't find that picking them. It own be na wahala way we bring up for them. Nang he go bring a fire on the mountain, round. And then the longer discover say if they do all that thing so because say in a picking them they will tolerate. They will do mommy. Now journalists don't go now for make interview, for see what happen, for talk with the picking them. They go talk one of the picking them. They actually say they regret. Say papa born picking with ye, and then papa be the sleep with ye. He say child name of thing. Say no they regret nothing. Say na papa na one. Say papa na prophet, and papa come for the ground, now for save people, not for create problems. Say before COVID-19 go on come out, if papa we don't talk and say COVID-19, he go come out. So a papa na big prophet. May they not give worry for palava say regret or not regret. He don't born picking with papa. I like his papa so much. No, but only he. His sister too like papa. He don't born with papa. That talk don't spark plenty reaction them. Lawyer them, they talk say minister for justice, he will take that matter and then they will make that man say me go for ngata. He go ngata or you no go ngata. Now the question we all we the ask am. We ask am for no because as I always tell now, ibiri make kai. We come up for that palava saint Desi at Tango. We go now for that side for Bafia. What happen for that side for Bafia? Pikin they write GCE. They write so one day we get sickle cell. For French they call us say drepanocytaire. That means say that kind of pikin they win a SS. For people they don't do biology. They do biology and then they know other function of cells, how cells they work. So you get very terrible health situation. So you go write exam the way pull over for cold. That cold for morning time. No my friend for some man. So peripheral enter class now for write exam. Teacher when examiner, he tell you say no way they don't give instruction. You know if you enter which they are close. You know say why talk so now for because say some pikin they do cartouche they put am for close. But you know say they talk so now will say you want key if you make a soda pikin die. And what happen countryman control man they became movie pull over. Here instruction way they give them, but at the end of the day they became a quarra. They rush you for hospital. That movie pull over call for money time before they want no for hospital. Again, we don't bye. You don't go eat. So now that it happened so for that side. We also authority them for school. Maluwa Leonga they all them. They go change that their rules and say when they don't talk so they fit check that kind of person. They letting me enter with the pullover. They probably not for come out so. We go for that side from Bangante. What happen for Bangante? That's some terrible thing. Some girl wanna na kick kolo for a brother or wanna na kick kolo for a brother. The brother accuse say Anjugu after he say I don't lost money. That money I lost now you take up. Give my money back. The guy tell a big brother say no, now he take the money. You no touch that kolo. The big brother tell say they say one go drink why me with them. Say you no know me oh. If you no give me that money, Anjugu after a blow start. Pam. A boss eye for his sister. A boss eye for his sister so. For Sika Palava Kolo, for Sika 1,000, for Sika Tor, hey, even if at 10,000 on a toy room, it's going to continue so. Now the question, we all must ask her now. Big man today, boss eye, for Sika say, you suspect he say, now he take your 1,000. You don't boss eye now for his small sister, we know, we follow him, for see what will happen. Another news. The one, na jealousy news. Jealousy news, oh, jealousy. Jealousy, mama, oh, eh. Jalousie, oh, mama, eh. The girl talk say, let me say the matter, I say, you know, catch he picking for a papa picking, because the boy born picking with you know, catch you with girl. You know, ever catch you with girl. He just suspect, say, that man get girl. Wait to make I suspect him. Now because plenty messages they come and then discover saying a girl they send that messages them for papa for a pikin. So if vacants now, he say, una don't try me, I will try una. Instead for ye, for talk the matter with the man, me what can find. He wait say me the man now small. He go boil hot water. I say high level hot water. Na so he can throw for the boy's skin. That kind of one, he pass die. I don't know what the boy did now for his state because that kind of surprise with the high temperature water we throw for the boy skin. If he make it so, oh no. If he make it, the man corrupt. But so take this now, whenever I get no news for say the man don't corrupt, that means say sure, either for a difficult state now, but it's still there alive. That's what thing they happen. For the kind of matter them, matter young girl, matter young boy, matter ndolo lamu, matter way, people them they take and put her for their head. Una they take love palaba, una put her for una head. Then una they go begin bounty for born man, go begin hot water for born man. For sika say you suspect it say it follow some other girl. Terrible thing they happen for the outside countryman, countrywoman.